Hello there, this is Nick Simpson with the Union Tool Corporation. I want to thank you for the purchase of your new roller coater. In this video, I'm going to show you a few functions and basic controls of this machine.
This is a brand new Union Series number 5 Model C 22-inch roller coater. It includes a 22-inch coating roll, a 22-inch doctor roll, and a 20-inch backup roll. It is designed to apply different types of coating materials to the top side only of various substrates. There are two main adjustments to this machine. One is the vertical thickness adjustment, and the second one is the Unifeed doctor roll adjustment. To show you the vertical thickness adjustment, this is the view of the infeed side of the machine. The vertical thickness adjustment is located on the right-hand side of the machine, along with all other controls. This is your main control view of both your vertical thickness adjustment, which is located on the top, the Unifeed doctor roll adjustment, which is located here on the side, and your control box. Going to the vertical thickness adjustment, this is the adjustment used to raise and lower the coating head of a roller coater. The coating head includes the coating roll and the doctor roll. The coating head will raise from a gap from 0 to 4 inches from the lower backup roll. Again, this is where you would make your thickness adjustment. To apply different types of coating weights as far as coating thickness, that would be included where the doctor roll adjustment is located. The doctor roll Unifeed adjustment is what moves the doctor roll, which is the silver roll, either closer to or farther away from the coating roll. The coating roll is the blue roll. Again, this controls the thickness and how much coating material you are applying to the substrate. For instance, if you were to open the doctor roll adjustment, you would move the doctor roll farther away from the coating roll. Vice versa, if you were to close the doctor roll adjustment, you would move the doctor roll closer into the coating roll. By moving it closer to the coating roll, you would apply less coating material. Those are the two main adjustments on this machine. In regards to push button controls, this is a very simple machine. Coater Start will start the drive rolls of this machine. Direction, you have forward or reverse. In forward, it will be sending the substrate material through the infeed side of the machine all the way to the outfeed side of the machine. The reverse will reverse the direction of the rolls, going in the opposite direction. This will also allow the adhesive to fall out of the coating head assembly and into a cleanup pan at the end of the production run. The majority of the time, you will be in forward mode. Coater Stop and Reset is to stop the coating drive. In case of an emergency fault, which could include pulling of the e-stop or breaking the magnetic interlock, the drive faults will flash red. this coder stop and reset would need to be hit, along with the e-stop reset button. Simple directions for the e-stop reset button are located here. The two speed pods located up on the top of the push button box include independent doctor roll speed, which will control the speed of the doctor roll. Coating roll speed, which will include the speed of both the coating roll and the lower backup roll. Now that we have looked at the adjustments and push button controls, let's take a deeper dive look into the coating head of the roller coater. Both the in-feed and out-feed window guards can be raised and put into position to gain access to the coating head. By raising this window, inserting this pin, and lowering this window, it will allow access to the coating head. It's important to note that this coating head includes two UHMW seal plates that will hold the coating material in the coating head. The coating material will be held in what we call the trough area. The coating material will be manually fed through the upper door. Both seal plates include a seal plate assembly with a nut and spring. This is used to tighten or loosen the seal plate assembly against the rolls. When in production, you will want to make sure that this nut is more than hand tightened. This to ensure, again, that the coating material stays in between both the coating roll and the doctor roll. When loosening, this seal plate assembly can then be taken out at the end of the production run. Remove the cotter pin to remove the seal plate assembly. You will want to make sure that you clean these seal plate assemblies at the end of the production run. Prior to the beginning of the next production run, you will want to insert these back into place and then tighten. In regards to the end of the production run and cleaning out the coating head, we do supply a lower cleanup tray as well as a top cleanup tray. This lower cleanup tray is to catch any excess drips from the seal plate assembly at the end of the production run. This is the disconnect box of the machine. Please note that all of our equipment has tag labels on representing exactly the model, serial number, voltage, disconnect, motor requirements, and wiring diagram. When receiving this machine, this is where the power drop will need to be made. The electrical diagrams are located on the inside of the machine for reference. This is the outfeed side view of the machine. As we take a closer look, you'll notice that the safety E cable wraps around the entire machine. Again, in case of an emergency, this E-stop cable can be pulled, which will shut down the entire machine. as noted before, the window guards on both the outfeed side and infeed side are magnetically interlocked here. If these window guards are opened during production, the machine will shut down. It's important to note that all of our equipment, as far as the coating roll and lower backup roll, are shielded as much as possible. The two window guards provide protection to the operator along with the guards up top.
I want to thank you for watching this quick overview of the functions and controls of this machine. Please, at any time, if you have any questions, reach out to sales@uniontoolcorp.com.